Alright, so we're in Splash Mountain for one more time before they close it down. You have to get in there before anything, right? The longer you wait,
the longer the wait times will be as the days come by.
right now it's 65 minutes.
Rest in peace, Splash Mountain. You will be missed.
You will be missed. It's 65 minutes right now, but if you guys keep waiting more time, it's gonna be about, I don't know, maybe like 2-3 hours. You guys know what happened, and yeah, it's gonna be worse, yeah. But
Up to 4 hours.
this is the line right now. We've been here probably about 15 minutes, but yeah, let's see what happens. The line extends all the way down there.
Now this tale didn't happen just yesterday, nor the day before, but long ago. It was one of those zippity-doo-dah days. The kind of day where you can't open your mouth without a song jumping right away. This day happened once upon a time. Not your time, but yet my time. My one time. And you might even say things were better all around. Everybody got laughing things. The problem is most folks don't take the time to go look for it. And where it is for one might be for another.
Whoa! Alright guys, this is the last time we're gonna be getting in this ride before they close it down. Whoa! Carol's first time! Good thing she was able to get in. It's her first time and she was able to get in before they closed the ride down. So yeah. Alright guys, so she's excited too. She's super excited. We'll see what happens. Oh my god, it's so cold! The water is cold.
I'm perfectly fine. Put your hand down. Throw my hand down. I'll tell you how to put your hand there. Hold it back
Kara was still able to ride in Splash Mountain.
Yes.
She's so lucky.
I was afraid she wasn't gonna make it.
But she did made it.
Close it down.
Yeah, we were kind of afraid that she was not gonna make it.
40 inches now.
But she's 40 inches tall, so yeah. Look at the view, guys. Ooh, look at the view.
Oh my god, it's cold!
Oh my goodness!
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
You must be ready?
Got your laughing face right up here.
Yeah, it's kind of cool. Alright guys, this is it. This is the last time. Well, for us, but make sure you guys come before it closes. Don't miss this opportunity.
Just where you going?
Oh my goodness! How was it? Oh my god, she loved it! You wanna go again?
Like I still got wet. No thanks.
You like
Hair's kind of wet.
Yeah.
Like it? I thought I'd wear my
Oh, turn this off.
Look how much water there is right here. Dude, my shoe is soaked.